Hello, and here's another quick look at one of my favourites this time. This is the Victorinox Huntsman 4-layer Swiss Army knife. Covers the usual basics as the Spartan 91mm layers. So you do have your main blade, a small blade, the can opener with Phillips head screwdriver on the top, the cap lifter with flathead screwdriver, and of course a little nick for the wire stripping. This adds 2 more layers into the middle on the front side, so you've got your scissors, spring action, and you've also got a saw. And I always do find that the Victorinox saws are fantastic, especially in the little wooded areas when you do a bit of bushcrafting. All you really need is that saw. On the back side, like the Spartan, you've got your corkscrew, you've also got your oar, but this adds the added parcel hook, which can be used for more than just one thing. Easy to get it between gaps to pull things through, easy with paracording, things like that. Again, scale tools, you got your tweezers, and you've got your toothpick as well. So that's a new one from a friend that sent me that. Of course, me being me, of course I have it in yellow. I mean, you can get alternatives. I'll add the Phillips to the back instead of the corkscrew. That'll be the Fieldmaster model. And you can see size wise, again against the 93mm, not a lot in it, obviously is a lot thicker. Thank you.